Hey guys, this is How to Computer back with another video, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change DNS server in Windows 10. A good DNS server can also improve your internet speed by a tiny bit. So let's get right into the video. First, click on the Start menu and type Control Panel. There you should see Control Panel in the results and click on it. Once done, it will launch the Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Now go to Network and Sharing Center. There you should see your Wi-Fi name in blue and click on it. Now click on Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. Now choose Use the following DNS server address option. Now enter the DNS server over there. I will use the public Google DNS server and I recommend you use this DNS server. Once done, click on OK and now your DNS server is changed. So that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you all in the next video.